Your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff, certified most accurate by Weather Rate.
Doug mentioned his wife is in this traffic. This is looking southbound on I-49. We got multiple cameras here, starting off at mile marker 74.1, and this is looking south from Springdale, and you can see emergency vehicle, and it looks like police, and there was an accident there, according to RDOT, and multiple other cameras showing the backup. It's all southbound. And so a little bit of a slow go of it, but boy, is it beautiful weather to enjoy once you do get home. Here's a look at Mount Magazine. There was a prescribed burn, a fairly small one. There you see that smoke kind of lifting up and then moving along with those light winds today. Got a little gusty during the afternoon, but overall, really nice afternoon. Here's what it looks like right now from Mount Magazine. And look at how much everything greened up in just a little bit of rain that we saw. Well, actually good amount of rain. It was just one day though, and that happened Friday night into Saturday morning. Also continuing to see wind damage reports. No tornado reported from early Saturday morning, but multiple wind damage reports reported in Sequoyah County as well as Crawford County and Sebastian County. Here's a look at the current winds. They're a lot lighter right now, only about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And look at this, burn bands, no more across our entire weather coverage area. Now, there are still 25 counties that are under burn bans, and most of them in central and southeastern Arkansas. So a little bit of rain, or a lot of rain, really, over 2 inches in a lot of locations caused a lot of those burn bans to be dropped. High pressure is shifting off to the east. We got active weather moving in, but not until a few days. So by the end of the week and into the weekend, we'll start to see some big time changes rolling our way. Here's a look at the 2-day forecast timeline, lower to middle 70s, and then we climb into the mid to upper 70s during the afternoon. Here's a look at the River Valley forecast, close to 80 degrees Tuesday afternoon. So some really nice weather, but a little bit on the cool side in the morning. All right, let's break down each one of these here. First of all, early on, by the end of the weekend, April 11th and 12th, severe weather potential in that orange or yellow shaded area, or orangish yellow, if you will. And then we have jet stream looking at this system that's going to be moving in. Here's a look at the energy that's going to be pushing in from the southwest. So southwest flow returning, that means active weather, but we can enjoy a few quiet days across the region. Now here's the vorticity and spin, meaning the little disturbances that will be coming from the Baja region. Now, why is that important? Well, because models are probably not producing enough precipitation, but this is what they've got right now. For Friday night and into Saturday, we start to see rain. So by the end of the weekend or end of the work week, we'll start to see those rain chances creeping back in, and I would expect multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms, including that potential for heavy rain. And as far as the freezes are concerned, we should be done with them. I think this morning was about the coolest we'll get at 34 degrees. Notice the temperature forecast, 6 to 10 day, looking a lot warmer. So yes, I'll be getting the Nugget Ice Machine out later on this week, and you guys can do the planting, so plan away. A little bit on the cool side this morning, though, and tomorrow morning we'll be in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Tomorrow we're looking at mid to upper 70s, and here is your forecast for Northwest Arkansas. What a beautiful stretch of days here, Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, not too bad, but a slight chance of rain. But, yeah, the weekend is not looking as great. Rinse and repeat thunderstorm chances, maybe even the potential for some severe weather as we get into the early part of next week as that energy really starts to move in a little closer. River Valley, it's going to be an active one, but not until Friday and Saturday. Sunday will be in the upper 70s to lower 80s. That's your forecast for the Northwest Arkansas and River Valley area. KNWA News at 5 is back after this.